In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade a document to the newest file format in Microsoft Word. This process is important if your document is currently in compatibility mode, which might limit some of the features you can use. Upgrading ensures you're getting the most out of Word's functionalities. To start, you'll want to open the Microsoft Word file that you need to update. Upon opening it, you'll need to head over to the toolbar where you'll find the File tab, located at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on File will reveal a menu of options. What you're going to focus on here is the Info section, so go ahead and click on Info. Once you are in the Info section, you'll notice if your document is being run in compatibility mode. Compatibility mode is a setting that essentially allows older documents to be edited but with limited capabilities. You might find that some of the fancier features of the newer Word versions are disabled. This is why it's beneficial to upgrade the document. The prompt to change this will show up as a Compatibility Mode button right there in the Info section. Click on it and a dialog box will appear. This dialog box is simply notifying you that your document will be upgraded to the most recent file format available. There's nothing to worry about here. It's really just a formality. By converting your document to the latest format, you'll unlock all of Word's current features and tools, allowing you to take full advantage of everything Word offers. All that's left to do is click OK. You might notice that the box disappears quickly, and then you'll be taken back to your document. This means that the update was successful and your document is no longer in compatibility mode. You'll likely notice that some of the previously unavailable features are now accessible. This could be anything from new font options, advanced formatting capabilities, or even improved collaboration tools. And just like that, you've completed the process of converting your Microsoft Word file from compatibility mode to the latest format. It's a straightforward procedure that makes working with your document more efficient and versatile. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has illuminated just how simple it is to ensure your documents are always up to date. If this video was useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips and tricks. Happy editing!